ask for one more day because we are moving and it's so crazy.
I had to do that too because I couldn't finish in time. I finished like 4 a.m. or something.
Okay, so we have a table, like an original table.
Yeah, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I don't see it. Okay, now I see it.
So you have this,
Okay.
and then all you need to do, they gave you this table, and you
Okay.
need to format this table so we can. But when we have to create a box like this,
Okay.
and then click, it has to open one box like this,
Okay.
saying, "Are you sure you want to automatically report?" And then you have to create all the command like programming manually yourself.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And then you press yes, and then it wasn't supposed to show this box, but okay,
Okay.
it was supposed to show this box. Yes,
Okay.
once you press yes, it's supposed to show this, and then you have to type the month that you want, and then okay, and then when you type the month has to be on the title big,
Okay.
and then formats everything, and then at the end you have to create another box that shows the data was successfully formatted. So
Oh.
all of these you need to create.
Huh.
And then when
But
you
this is just for January, or this has to work for every month?
so when you click on the month thing, you type the month, the month thing,
Okay.
whatever month you are in, and the data doesn't change.
Oh.
So it doesn't have another data for February or March or April.
Oh, okay,
Just
okay.
like this data, and then you put the month that you are in, and then this month has to go to the title
Okay.
automatically. And then at the end, this message needs to show up.
Okay.
And another thing that they ask, that when you click on the mark,
Mm-hmm.
everything has to be formatted, and then when you unclick, everything needs to be deleted.
Oh, so it has to go back. Oh.
So that the tricky part, you think, oh, okay, it's easy. Let me just like record another macro, cleaning everything. But
Yeah.
the thing is, I can separate. When I click OK, I did all
Uh-huh.
everything to clear, but then clear automatically. Like
Oh.
to check, you know. The tricky part is to find what's the function that like distinguish when it's click and then what's not clicked. Because on
Oh.
homework does not teach you that.
Hmm. Hmm.
Like it teach you only like if yes or no, you can put different things like
Mm-hmm.
okay or no or like cancel or something. But
Yeah.
doesn't teach you when you mark or unmark.
Oh. Hmm.
So that's the
So
thing that I'm having a hard time with. Like
okay.
I click OK and then yes, and then this it was supposed to show
And
up this
format. Yeah.
unformatted that was only supposed to show up if I click no.
Oh.
But it's kind of
Hmm.
messed up. It's coming afterwards because I put if it's okay, then
Mm-hmm.
show if it's okay, then show this.
Mm-hmm.
What's the current month? And then if it's not okay, then show the data will be unformatted. Like it won't be
Mm-hmm.
formatted. But
Hmm.
I can figure out a way for him this
Okay.
do this.
And did you research online about it?
Yeah, I was doing it.
Hmm.
Oh, see, goes and then goes back. Let me show you
Macro.
my Visual Basic.
Yeah.
So what I did, I ran the macro recording.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what is this? I created the macro separately. So all of this you have to type yourself.
Okay.
You have to put the first message box and then first message box equal. Are you sure you want automatically format? And then yes, are you sure? And then if yes, then shows the box showing so you can put the month. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
actually that's not even the right one.
But
Okay.
where do you have the checkbox with the click? Because that's the key.
Yeah, I have underneath.
Okay.
if I change this,
Mm-hmm.
if I move this, you'll be able to see the true and false. So it's already linked to that.
Mm-hmm.
I linked this box to that. So Visual Basic. So in here, if that, so I named that to be easy.
Mm-hmm.
I named that true or false link. I name it checkbox.
Okay.
So if range checkbox is equal true, then the tricky part is every time you put then, it doesn't teach you that on the homework. But or it does, I don't remember. But I wasn't putting and it wasn't working. So every time you put then, you have to put and if.
Huh.
And then you do your statement and then when and if again. Like every time.
And if what happened if you put checkbox equal false?
So yeah, I put it in the end. I'm gonna show you. So if a checkbox equal true, then and then it has to give me the message if I wanted to format. And then if I click yes, has to give me a second message box saying that, oh, what's the current month? So I try to put this in here. Oh, that's why it's not working. Let me remove this. If I then the second box.
Yeah, as you said, it's tricky.
So my first message, and then yes, then if, and then comes the input. Oh, actually, never mind. I had that thing in here because I want to, if yes, show this. If it's no, VB no, then show the data will be unformatted. So it was supposed to work if it shows no, but for some reason, it doesn't. And then if yes, then needs to show open another box so you can type the month, which has to be called my first input box. And then if you put input box, it will open the box that give you the space that you are able to type the month.
Yeah, and what happened if after my second message box equal message box, the data will be unformatted? What happened after that? You put the macro that.
Yeah, and then I record the macro separately, and then it was a model 2, and then I copy from that, and then I copy right here.
Okay.
Because that one that I format everything, I did it separately, and then I run a macro, I record everything, and then I copy and post right here. And then at the end, what I did, I ran. At the end, I would put like, that's when came, if the checkbox it's unchecked, it's false, then, and then you have to put and if, and then I run another macro recording cleaning up, not cleaning, just unformatted, so we can go back to normal, and then right here it shows clear format macro, and then end sub. So apparently, it was supposed to work. Because I put you on check, I put like false, then clear everything. But for some reason, I can't figure out why it's not.
You don't have an extra space there where it says if?
Sorry?
You don't have an extra space there? It's not for that? Yeah, just right there.
Yeah.
Before that one. On that if range, if in the previous.
Oh, here?
Line. Yeah, you don't have at the beginning, you don't have an extra space where it says if range checkbox. Yeah, no, before, yeah.
Here?
Before the if.
Oh, I don't think it makes difference.
No?
No. I don't think it makes any difference.
And it doesn't matter that you put a line in green there?
So this was a comment. So you can know what it's supposed to do. Comments usually doesn't change anything.
Perfect. I know, but I don't know. So just to try different things.
So another thing that I was trying like different things. Here's what I tried the clear, and then I tried false. I don't know. Let me find what I don't know. I try here to, I put the no, but for some reason I can like fix the message that will be unformatted, link it to no. I don't know if I have to put that on the end. I'll keep trying until I figure out.
But okay, I will research, and if I find something on it, I will let you know.
Okay, and the only thing I did found something, but when I tried, it didn't work for me. I found a video, and I tried to do the same thing. It didn't work for me. But I know that the key is you just need to find how to find a function that selects and deselects to make that thing work.
Yeah. That's the tricky part.
It was something, I found something. Let me see what I copy and post it, or if I deleted. That if you press, here. That's what I was trying to do to make the select work. So at the end of the macro that format everything, I was trying to put else. If it's not yes, then no, which means else. Retain message box equal data will be unformatted, cancel format. And then this is the formula that it's supposed to check the selecting. You have to point select. That's what I found. So that's my range. If my range select like active, that was the formula that I found. You have to write active cell, and then the cell, and then I put false, and then check box select. And if so, that's what I found online for that selecting, but
it's not working.
It's not working. Maybe you can try that on yours. It works before everything else.
You have that after the end sub, so you will insert that before as part of the macro.
So I tried that too. I copied this, and then I put on another one, and then I put it here on the one that was running my macro. At the beginning. Like I tried everything, but it wasn't working. But I'll keep trying. It kept giving me like error.
Okay.
So, and don't forget that when you click in here, when you put the current month, the name of the month has to become the title of the table.
Okay.
So you have to, like, I name title just to be easy, the cell on top, but just to be careful that if you have a merge cell, you might have a problem linking to a merging cell. So just be careful with that.
Okay.
It gave me some errors.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. I will start, and I will let you know.
I was able to help somehow.
No, we will solve it. Don't worry. We have until tomorrow, so.
So yeah, I get everything right, and then I get the message at the end. But when I press OK, everything deletes, and it was just supposed everything deletes when I click in here.
And when you check that box, underneath you have true?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, let me show you again. Oops. I do have for. See, when I click, it changed. Oops. True. When I click, it then goes false. So I believe I have 90% done, and then probably it's just like one little thing that is the entire thing.
Okay. Let me know if you find it, and I will do my best. Okay.
Yeah, I'll work on this tomorrow. I'm leaving tonight, but tomorrow morning I'll start working, and then if I find out, I'll mail for sure before before our deadline.
Thank you so much, Victoria.
I hope it helped.
Okay, thanks. Okay, bye.